Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about functions and recursion. The basic concept of function is a subprogram, a finite set of lines to solve a specific problem. Like input A, then a finite set of lines in the body, and function generates output f of x. So this is the basic definition because this course is about data structure, and now we are going to learn about recursion. A function call itself is called recursion. In recursion, a function x either calls itself directly or calls a function y that in turn calls the original function x. The function x is called recursive function. Here are the important points. Nature of the problem should be recursive. Sometimes we have a problem that is used recursive solution, and the second thing that is control mechanism. So the number of calls should be finite, like in case of loop. Now we are going toward implementation. Main is the main function starting point of the program. So we can create function like void is the return data type. Here is the function name. Then we can receive parameters like a, and these are the formal parameters, int b, and so on. And here is the function body. So create a function display for the purpose of recursion concept. Display 1 if a is greater than 5, then execute this code, otherwise a is plus plus. First of all, print f value of a is after that call display function. So according to the definition of the recursive function, a function that calls itself is called recursive function. So then simply here print end message and return, or we can change the condition like a is less than is equal to 5 and here for control mechanism also we can write like this. The value of a is, and then add new line to it, run the program, and here is the result. Value of a is 1 2 3 4 5. Because 5 after that 6, and print here value of a outside if. Now execute the program. And like this, and now run the program. 1 2 3 4 5, and after that all the execution under this line will be printed after the execution of complete if. So 6 5 4 3 2 1, value of a outside. At this point value of a is 5. After that, then the condition is false because 6 is less than equal to 5 is false. Then this value of a outside printed. After that, control goes to this line, and then the value will be 5, and so on. Logic development section. Find power or find factorial of a number. Solve with recursion. So how we can solve that? Like a raised to power 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. So definitely if we solve this one, then the result will be multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 4. So unknown value is this, then further divide into 2 raised to power 3, and if we write like this is equal to this. So if we find this one, the result will be equal to 2 raised to power 3, and so on. This is the basic case. If we solve this one, then we can find the value of 2 raised to power 1. So we know that 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So put 1 plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2. Then put here 2 raised to power 2 4. So 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. And then put 4 here. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. And 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. And put 8 here. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 4, which is 16. So formula is here. So simply, this is very simple program. You know that void power int x int y. Okay. So over int, what was the base case? So the base case was if y equal to 0 and power is equal to 0, then result will be 1. Else, and here also two raised to power 2 int result So now according to formula, return x multiplied by power and x, and here y minus 1. Look at this, x is same, so the base is same, but power is y minus 1 like this. Now run the program. So here is the error. Oh, sorry for that. Return. Run the program again. So first close the existing one and then execute the program. So undefined reference pose. Run the program, and here is the result. 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16, and you can calculate 5 raised to power 5, 125 I think. Oh, 3125. 125. So thank you for watching this video. This is all about recursion and function.